Hi, I'm Conor Hughes, and here's a very basic recipe for what I'm made of. Our NLP students are living in a very different world than even 3 years ago. Their expectations are changing. They expect your materials to reach them wherever and whenever they want. They want you to reach them with the core material via their familiar devices. So look ahead 5 years, 10 years. Is this expectation going to go away, or do you think it'll strengthen and get more demanding? And what about the design of what they see on their device? In a world of amazing movies, compelling online gaming, and apps that give instant feedback, it's going to get increasingly challenging to grab and hold the attention of students. What would it feel like to know that your students binge-watched your teaching material and told all their friends about it? That's our long-term goal. Research says that most people actively look for a strong social aspect during online study phases. You need to stretch your creative muscle to foster deliberate community involvement, to pull them in. The loneliness of the long-distance student can be dismantled, but where do you start? What insights do you need to feed that very human hunger? Imagine, just for a moment, your students have been working with your self-paced material for a couple of months, and now they're coming together for the first time in your training room. There are no icebreaker sessions. Your students are already a community, just meeting old friends in a new environment. You're an NLP professional. How can you use your in-the-muscle NLP understanding in learning to design for these new expectations? Join me at the NLP International Conference to find out which ideas of NLP are the foundations for success in this emerging area. Join me to look at starting to apply those NLP ideas in creative ways to generate new levels of engagement and community. And let's not leave out the business side of being an NLP professional. So join me to find out how these ideas can open up your business model to new clients and new income streams. See you there.